30.8 million. That's the number of people that use TikTok on a daily just in the United States. In the previous episodes, we gave you a total of 6 ways to make money off TikTok. Now in this episode, we show you how to make money this time without followers. Welcome to Optimum Finance, as we teach you how to build passive income, become financially free, and design your best lives. With that being said, let's jump right in. Method number 1. Have you ever seen brands from TikTok? Brands have creators on their profiles making videos constantly. This is because they need to constantly make content to grow their reach and sales, and that's where you come in. As a brand owner myself, one of the biggest challenges is finding someone that can make TikToks for us without paying thousands of dollars per video. So, what you need to do is reach out to these brands and offer to make them TikToks every day for a monthly flat rate. Method number 2. We mentioned it before and we'll say this again: affiliate marketing. Even without followers, you can still surely make money doing this method. So the way it works is when someone clicks on the link in their bio and buy an online course, for example, they get a commission for referral. That's pretty much how it works. You can find other physical or digital products that you can go ahead and promote on platforms like ClickBank and ShareSale. So what you would do is sign up for one of these platforms, pick a product from thousands of different options, and promote it by making simple TikTok videos. An excellent example can be, let's say, you want to go ahead and promote a diet product. So what you would do is you would go ahead and post daily diet tips and encourage people to click the link in your bio to learn more. So, if someone goes ahead and buys the product that you're referring, you get a commission without having to make any products yourself or deal with any headaches of running a business like that. So, you get a commission, and that's it. Method number 3. This one is actually our favorite, because we've used these exact strategies to generate over $1 million. And that's starting your own brand on TikTok. We'll show you how to do this in 4 easy steps. The first step is, you need to research cool and unique products from sites like AliExpress. Once you find these products, order a couple of them for your house. The second step is, while you are waiting for the products to arrive, set up a simple product Shopify store and mark up the price of the product. Again, you only need one product for this. The third step is to create a TikTok account. After getting the product, make simple videos of your product, use simple review videos, and constantly post on that account. The goal is to have one of your videos go viral and bring you tons of buyers to your site. If you are constantly posting videos and it's not doing well, try creating a few different accounts and doing the same thing over and over again. The fourth step is, once someone orders from your store, you use their money to go ahead and buy it cheaper on AliExpress and have it sent directly to the buyer's address. So, if you made it to the end, we hope you got some value out of this, and we want you to go ahead and implement this, because this is some of the most actionable things that you can find on the internet that can actually make you a lot of money. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you subscribe to Optimum Finance so that you don't miss the videos that we drop regularly. Hey, we need your support. Please visit our Spreadshop and purchase some cool limited edition merch. See you next time.